Where'd my bead go? Where'd my bead go, y'all? Where'd my cute little bead? Okay, my bead is like, it really just left the chat. Where did it go? And yeah, when y'all actually go out with this, like, don't have it looking like me. Like, actually have your bun looking right and stuff. Hey YouTube, it's Yasi and I'm back with another video today. I'm gonna be doing a little mini hair tutorial since I'm already kind of looking nice, and I just did my hair. Got these cute little beads at the bottom. It is so cute, you know, for the black culture. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a couple styles that I plan on doing or am thinking about doing further down the line. I literally just did my hair last night, so yeah. For hairstyle number one, we're gonna keep it nice and simple, and we're just gonna leave these two pieces in the front. And I'm taking this braid, and this one. Do that for both sides. I'll leave these little two tufts right here out. I didn't do a lot of braids because I wanted this to go fast, so that's kind of messing it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring them all the way to the top of my head, like right here, and I'm gonna wrap it around to make like a bun. And then I'm going to tie the bun off with my little elastic. And you can keep the hair to the side like this. I just really like when the beads show. That's what basically like what I'm trying to get at. And you can pull some down, you know, make the design you want to make, but you can leave it to the side like this. But yeah, what I was going for was more so towards the middle. So I'm turning it like this. And you can just pull the beads and stuff, like depending on how you want it to look. And yeah, when y'all actually go out with this, like don't have it looking like me. Like actually have your bun looking right and stuff. But yeah, it's gonna look something like this. Like, oh my gosh, y'all can't tell me this is cute. This is cute as fuck. Like, I love black culture. This is gonna be hairstyle number two. Okay, now that I got the whole bun situation out of the way, I might have to cut this video short because my boyfriend coming to get me. And I don't know how far he is, but I'm gonna continue to do the half up, half down. And then I'm gonna just go like this. You can put it to the side. You can put it halfway, you know, some on this side, some on that side. However you want to do it, you can just do that. And like if you want to be a little fancy, you can take a braid and wrap it around the hair tie. If y'all see me looking over here, it's because my mirror is over here. So yeah, I'm looking at that. But you can just tie a little braid like that. Very cute. I mean, the braids, they're given in general. Like any hairstyle is gonna look good because period. But yeah, this is how this hairstyle look. This is hairstyle number three. Okay, so my boyfriend coming in 10 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this. But for this one, you just gonna wanna put, I'm gonna do the same hairstyle, but like I'm trying to make it a little bit more interesting. But I'm gonna take this part and tuck it behind my ear. Try to give myself a little, you know, swoop, a little leg swoop. Where'd my bead go? Where'd my bead go, y'all? Where'd my cute little bead? Okay, my bead is like, it really just left the chat. Where did it go? Guys, I found my bead. But yeah, I basically just did a swoop. You could add more hair, but like I'm not about to take this ponytail down and do it again. But yeah, I mean not more hair, but more braids to make the swoop more like noticeable and big. But this is how this one looked. And then my boyfriend finna cuss me out because I'm pretty sure he's here. And this is what I'm doing. Before I even show y'all the hairstyle I was talking about, I'm gonna just do a little simple one where I just put everything to the side. You know, you can wear a side part. You might want to bobby pin these down though, because yeah, I braided them so that they go down the middle, because that's how I like my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair to the side like y'all just seen. I'm gonna carefully bring my braids down so that it's not hurting my head too much. And I'm gonna take one half of the hair and put it into a ponytail, and then do the other half, and y'all probably see where I'm going with this. Okay, so I was gonna do like a ponytail, but I'm just gonna do this little bun thing. And then I'm gonna do the other side. You're just gonna wanna wrap them around to shape them to like how you want them. If I was going out, like, I promise I would do a better job, but like right now it's just, I'm trying to just show y'all the hairstyle, how it would look if I actually tried. But yeah, what I was actually doing was 2 ponytails like this. I'm not gonna do them for real because I have to go, but yeah. So it looks something like this, but you know, straighter, neater. So for this part, I'm gonna grab those same pieces I had earlier, these ones, and I'm going to, so I have 3 or 4, I have 4 braids right here, and I'm just gonna bring them together like this, and I'm gonna make a little tiny bun. Like this, and then I'm gonna use a hair tie to tie it off. And I'm gonna do that to both sides, and then I'm gonna do something with the beads, of course, because you know, I'm extra, I like them to show. And secure it. Secure that shit. Okay, so this bun obviously don't look as good, but it's okay. Because we're gonna cover that up. We're gonna wrap 2 braids around like so. Like that. And I'm gonna take the longer ones on this side and bring them around. And then, you know, you just pull them to your liking and stuff. But it's gonna look something like this. And I like the 2 pieces out in the front. It's just personal preference. You can tuck them away with the buns if you want, you know. Just cater it to yourself, like. But yeah, this is the next hairstyle. I'm just gonna do a little side swoop that I showed y'all that I did on the other one. No, we're gonna leave that over there. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the side swoop, tuck it behind my ear. Yeah, just to show y'all another way to wear this. Yes, yes, like this hair, like the beads, it's the beads. The beads are giving it to me. Okay, I just took that out, but now I'm gonna take these 3 right here and tie them in the back like this. I'm not even gonna tie it because my boyfriend here and I gotta go. But yeah, y'all get the vibe. Hey guys, I'm back and it's a brand new day, but I'm just gonna pick off where I left off. And I try my best to look similar to how I was looking that day, but yeah. But I'm gonna show y'all a couple more that I didn't get to show y'all the day I had to leave and stuff. But yeah. So so I'm gonna leave these two out on the side, and I'm just gonna gather all of the hair up into a ponytail. And then once I got it through once, I'm gonna do it one more time for good measure. Okay, so it should look something like this. And you can bring it up higher or bring it further back, you know, more towards the middle. It's just how you want it to be, you know. But yeah, I'm scooting it more over to the middle because I want it on the side, but like, I want it to be a certain way on the side. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. And if you want to jazz it up, you can add a headscarf, you know, the African headscarves, and you can wrap it around the ponytail to make it taller. And with the ponytail, I'm just gonna make it more into the middle. And yeah, you just tie it up like you would do with your natural hair. And you can make it big. I mean, you can make it tall, you can make it short, you know, it's up to you. And then I'm just tucking the ends under, and yeah. I'm just gonna bring my hair forward, and it looks something like this. Oh yeah, and if you wanna wear it on this side, you can wear it to the side. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the headscarf down. And honestly, you don't even have to tie the headscarf up like that. You can just leave the little, you can leave like tassels like this. Keep it like that, you know, just have fun. And you know, this is a regular ponytail without the headband and stuff like that. This is how it would look with just a ponytail holder. And you don't have to leave these pieces out on the side if you don't want to. You can put them up too, but I wanted them to be down, so yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do what I was doing with the other hairstyles. I'm gonna start creating a bun. So the beads are kind of stopping me from creating a bigger bun, so I'm gonna start looping the hair tie around this part, like that. And I'm just gonna start moving the beads where I want them to go. And that's the beauty of these hairstyles, is you can kind of arrange them to how you want them to be. Messy bun with beads going everywhere, kind of like this. Very cute. I like it a lot. And if you don't want the tassels, I don't know why I'm calling them that, y'all, but if you don't want the tassels, you can just bring them up like that and just tie them around so that they're out the way. Oh, and I'm just tucking them in the back. It's so easy to like maneuver the styles and stuff. But this is how it looks without the tassels. Yes, I love, like, oh, I just feel so pretty. Like, all right, guys, so I'm gonna end it right here with this hairstyle right here. This is gonna be the last hairstyle that I'm gonna do for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. Hope to see you soon.